Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Iko.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a 5-minute upper body workout.
All right.
You can do anything for 5 minutes, right?
Yep.
All right. Okay. So, what do you need? You need a chair if you're going to do it seated, and then have water handy. And if you want to progress this move, you can have weights handy or use water bottles or even cans to up the challenge.
Yeah.
All
I'm
right.
just going to use my arms.
Yes, you don't have to do use those arms. Exactly. You don't need any weights for this if you're just starting out. Okay, so let's just warm it up by just doing some quick. You want to have a seat?
Yeah.
Have a seat, Mom. Great. Warm it up by just doing some shoulder rolls back to the back. Open up that shoulder. Good. 3 and 4 and reverse it forward. Nice. And forward. And then I want you to alternate backstroke, one arm at a time. Okay, good. Open up that shoulder. Good. Nice. One more. More. Reverse it.
Like swimming.
Like swimming, exactly. That's actually exactly what I'm doing. All right. All right. Very nice. Okay, so our first move are just going to be simple rows. So I want your arms to be 90 degrees here, and I want you to just lead with your elbows and pulling them back. Okay, so pull them back like this. So relax the shoulders. Relax shoulders and just pull those elbows back. Okay, let's do 8. 8, good. 7, 6, slow. 5, 4, yep. 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Very nice. Okay, so we're going to hit their upper back by doing a similar move, but have your arms like this with your palms facing, and we're going to pull it back. So relax the shoulders, pull it back, and forward. So just like you have a little marble in the middle of your back shoulder blades, okay? So let's do 8. Good. 7. Relax the shoulders. 6. 5. Sit up straight. 4. Good. Head up. 3. Good. 2. And 1. And rest. Take a breath. Breathe. All right? Very efficient workout here. Okay, next move is going to be keeping the upper arm straight and stationary. Kick it back. Okay. Keep those elbows in close to your body. Okay. Working this tricep here. Okay, so for 8. Good. 7. 6. 5. I forgot to use my weights. 4. 3. Good.
It's okay.
2. And 1. And rest. Nice job. Feeling it?
Yep.
Okay. Very good. All right. Our last move. It's just a simple, easy peasy bicep move.
Oh, that's easy.
Okay?
Yeah.
Right, so sit up straight. I always want you to engage your core, stand up straight, head up. Okay, ready? Go. 1. Good. 2, and down. 3. 4. Good. 5. 6. Good. 7. And 8. Very nice. All right, good work.
All right.
Nice work. Well, we have a little bit of extra time. So you know what? I want you to do some, I want you to hinge at your hips a little bit. We're going to do some quick alternating rows, just like this. Okay? So here we go. We're going to go for 8. Count of 8. Ready? Go. Head up. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and rest. Very nice, everybody. Okay. Let's stretch it out. Okay? Arm across the chest. One arm across the chest. Here we go. Breathe. It's a nice,
keep breathing.
Compact arm work here. Okay, very good. And let's do the other side. Nice work. Good work. Okay, good work. And I want you to just put your palm out and yes. Pull your fingers back. Just a nice stretch there. Yeah. And do the other side. Very good.
That feels good.
Yeah. And do the other side down. Down. Good. And down the other side. Feels good on your wrists, right?
Yeah. Good.
And the hands. Okay, we're going to do 3 inhale, exhales up and down. Here we go. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. And give me one more. Clap at the top. And lean. Let's lean to your right. Good. Center and left. And center and down. Nice work on this compact 5 minute
Wow.
upper body workout.
Good job.
Good job. Yes. So Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, please give us a like, share a comment, and subscribe to our channel. It's really great doing this short workout with you. We look forward to seeing you in a future video. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.